welcome back to the channel. We're here at National on a weeknight. Thanks everyone for tuning in and watching. Just a quick reminder, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. And let's start things off here at National with the Premier selection. We've got a Ford Mustang EcoBoost, fairly new. We've got a BMW, a little bit older, just looking at the license plate. And let's just do a quick walk through the executive aisle here. Looks like I've got quite a few cars for a weekday. Got a Ford Edge, Chevy Malibu, Jeep Compass, and we got a VW wagon here, Ford Edge, and we got a Kia. You guys might have to help me with this one. Looks like a RAV4, Chevy Equinox, got a Wrangler. Don't see these in now very often. Other side we got a Ford Edge. Looks like a Mazda CX-9, 4Runner. That's a smaller Toyota down there. Down a full size, they got a bunch of full-size SUVs down there. Quite a few actually. And more full-size SUVs. Lots of those Ford full-size SUVs. Let's take a quick look at the models on this Wrangler. Oh, okay, maybe that's why it's in the aisle. It's probably from last year. 55,000 kilometers on that. Let's just go around to the other side here. So that's, I can do the math in my head, it's probably getting close to 40,000 miles on it. Got a VW wagon. Oh, it's great to see another Chrysler 300S. CW plates here. Sunroof. Oh boy, maybe I'm gonna try and get one of these this weekend coming up here. It's got the spoiler on it. Yeah, these are pretty awesome. Let's see the mileage on this. Probably pretty new. Yeah, just under 2,000. Got another. That's a Chevy Equinox over there. And again, this is a weeknight, so not as many cars, but there's tons of cars in the overflow. Lots of minivans, SUVs. Got 3 more Ford Edge on the left here. 2 more on the right. And we got a Chrysler 300 coming up here on the left. And what do we got? Is that a Kia at the end here? Yes, and you can probably see all they got tons of SUVs and minivans. The Vertible's over there in the overflow, so no worries if you got a reservation for one, they'll find one for you. And this one's got about 3,000 on it. And I think that's about it. Yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in here. As I sign off, I'll just kind of quickly walk through some of the overflow here. You can see. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, click that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, sorry for signing off. I'm going to give you a little bit of bonus coverage here. A couple Enterprise, we've got a couple 5-liter Mustangs here with the black rims on them. It's got the big spoiler on it, probably the performance pack. Another electric Polestar, and then this one actually has the performance package on it. The gold calipers, the gold seat belts on it. And yeah, I have to get one this sometime. Range 340 kilometers. Yeah, we got a couple more cars down there. Looks like a Jeep, newer Jeep Grand Cherokee. We got a Mercedes C300. These newer Grand Cherokees, 300. Got a Range Rover. Lots of good stuff over here, over at Enterprise. So I just wanted to quickly add that into the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.